Dear children, class 7G students have initiated a classroom television channel. They started this classroom television channel called Little Birds. So they are going to have different modules in this program. Each episode will have 3 modules. The first one would be news, second an English activity, and the third one interview with some celebrity of the school. That is, the student may be an achiever, maybe in sports or any other extracurricular, co-curricular activities. So an interview session with those successful students will be the third module. So now we start with the news. Pragalya, are you ready for the news? Okay, we start with the news now. Yes, here we go, Pragalya.